Hello viewers, today we are talking about Frederick Arthur Bridgman. He was an American artist known for his vivid and detailed Orientalist paintings. Born in Alabama, Bridgman moved to Paris in 1866, where he trained under the famous academic painter Jean-Louis Gréme, a key figure in the Orientalist movement. Bridgman's work is characterized by its meticulous attention to detail, vibrant use of color, and romanticized depiction of the Middle East and North Africa regions he visited extensively during his career. Bridgman showed an early talent for art which led him to study at the Brooklyn Art Association. His move to Paris in 1866 was pivotal, allowing him to immerse himself in the French academic tradition. Studying under Guillaume Bridgman honed his skill in drawing, composition, and the use of color, which would last become hallmarks of his Orientalist work. Bridgman's fascination with the Orient was sparked by his travels to North Africa and the Middle East. He first traveled to Algeria in 1872, followed by trips to Egypt and Morocco. These journeys provide him with a wealth of material and inspiration. Bridgman meticulously documented his travel through sketches, notes, and photographs, which he later used as reference for his paintings. One of the most striking features of Bridgman's Orientalist painting is his use of vibrant colors. His palette often included rich blues, deep reds, and golden yellows, which he used to create a scene of warmth and exoticism. This use of color was not only pleasing but also served to evoke the intense light and vivid landscapes of the regions he depicted. For example, in his painting, The Siesta, 1878, Bridgman employs a range of bright, warm colors to depict a group of women resting in an opulent interior. The intricate patterns of their clothing, the luxurious fabric, and the detailed architectural elements are all rendered in rich, stuttered hues. This creates a visually stunning image that captures the viewer's attention and transports them to a different world. Bridgman's attention to details is another defining characteristic of his work. He meticulously rendered the textures of fabrics, the play of light and shadow, and the intricate patterns of Islamic architecture. This level of detail was partly influenced by his training under Groom and partly by his desire to create a scene of authenticity is his depiction of original life. In a street scene in Algeria, 1880, for example, Bridgman captured the bustling activity of North African street with incredible precision. Every element from the clothing of the figure to the architecture detail is carefully rendered, giving the viewers a scene of beings present in the scene. The vibrant colors and intricate details combine to create a lively and immersive image. While Bridgman's paintings are celebrated for their beauty and technical skill, they are also products of their time and reflect the romanticized and often stereotypical views of the Orient that were prevalent in the 19th century. His work often depicts an idealized version of the East, focusing on his exoticism and sensuality. This can be seen in paintings such as the Bathing Pool 19, where he portrays women in a serene, almost otherworldly setting, emphasizing the allure and mystery of the Orient. Frederick Arthur Bridgman's Orientalist work remains significant for their artistic merit, and their role is shaping Western perception of the East. His vibrant use of color, meticulous attention to detail, and romanticized depiction have left a lasting impact on the Orientalist genre. Today, his paintings are appreciated on not only for their beauty but also as historical art- artifacts and provide insight into 19th century Western attitudes toward the Middle East and North Africa. In conclusion, Bridgman Orientalist art is testament to his skill as a painter and his fascination with the exotic cultures he encountered. His vibrant colors, detailed compositions, and romanticized vision continue to captivate audience. Offering a window into a bygone era and the enduring allure of the Orient in Western art. Thank you viewers for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel.